Hello and welcome to another episode of the Fil Mill. Today we'll be looking at the Xiaomi Mi Air Purifier 2S. In this video, we'll show you what you'll get in the box, take you through my purchase process, explore its features, and give a recommendation based on our testing. We got this from the Xiaomi Mall store, although it's also on Lazada for cheaper. If you're buying it online, be sure to check for the global version. More on that later. The 2S is designed for a maximum room size of 37 square meters. Its filter removes dust, pet hair, and small particles from the air. You can also connect it to your Wi-Fi network and control the air purifier from the Mi Home app from anywhere. So is this a good buy? Well, I guess we'll find out. The first thing you'll find in the box is the instruction manual. Under the foam insert is the air purifier itself. And the power cable can be found inside the air filter. And that's it. The air purifier feels well built and looks quite good. I really like the white and gray plastics, which look very Apple-like. I tend to move this between different rooms and the size isn't difficult when you need to carry it. And here in front we have the OLED screen, which displays useful information. The device also features an air quality sensor, temperature, humidity sensor, and Wi-Fi. It's really easy to operate with a button up top for power and mode selection. At the back, you'll find the reset button, the laser particle sensor, and the panel housing the filter. Pop open the back and you'll find the power cable and the included filter. Changing this filter, which you have to do every 3 to 6 months, is a very easy process. Pull out the old one and push in a new one. Back in front, the circular display gives you information like the filter's life, air quality, room temperature, humidity levels, and the current mode, which it has 3 of. Night mode, which makes the fans nearly silent, manual mode, which lets you set the fans yourself, and automatic, where it ramps up the fans depending on the air quality it detects. If you connect the app, you get even more options. Here you can control the fan remotely, set schedules, and see the remaining life of the air filter. It even gives you the recommended fan speed based on the size of the room, as you can see here. How does this all work? The fans blow up air through the top and air is sucked from the 4 sides of the air purifier. The air passes through the cylindrical filter, removing microparticles in the air. This means dust, hair, and pollutants caused by cars and planes, for example. As for the noise, it runs almost silently in night mode, but is quite noticeable at full blast. But it hasn't bothered me, since it's very easy to change the settings depending on the situation. Here's the fan on full blast. Since moving into our new apartment, I've been noticing dust buildup overnight, which is why we got this air purifier in the first place. And after using it for 2 weeks, an hour on full blast before bedtime, I've already noticed less dust buildup on surfaces. Although it hasn't completely removed dust in the air, as you can see here, there's still visible dust on my side table. And when you consider the placement of the air purifier, I was expecting a little less dust. In my testing, blowing dust into the device does not register anything on the air quality sensor, but I do know that it does filter it. Blowing smoke near the device triggers the sensor, and you'll immediately hear the fans working to remove it. I've also found that it's more effective to move the device in different corners of a room to help it filter an area more evenly. When I bought the air purifier, I also stocked up on an air filter, which they sell for 1,500 each. More conveniently, you can purchase the filters on Lazada and have it delivered straight to your home. At 7,490 pesos, it's priced well below more established brands such as Sharp and Dyson, costing about 1/3 of their price. There are cheaper options on Lazada, but I wanted to purchase a more reputable brand. There are mostly no-name Chinese brands, so your experience may vary. About that global version. Most of the Mi purifiers sold on Lazada seem to be mainland China models, which is not compatible with the English version of the app. It's cheaper by around 1,000 pesos, but you lose the ability to control it via the app, which I think is a great feature. Would I recommend the Mi Air Purifier 2S? Well, yes. It's a great device for improving the air quality indoors, especially if you live in an area where the outside air quality isn't so great. You'll get your money's worth if you live beside a highway, for example. As for my use case, clearing out dust, yes, it reduces it, but don't throw away your feather duster just yet. Overall, the device works well enough for my needs, and as a bonus, looks good doing it. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in our next video.